So guys, for the first method, you want to simply lower your graphics settings in-game. So you want to go into your in-game settings and you want to lower your graphics settings, especially textures and shadows. So just lower it. Then you want to apply your save changes, and then hopefully this will fix your problem. For the next method, you want to close any background applications that you're not using as you're gaming. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. And now once we're here, under Performance, you want to select Settings. Now you want to click on Advanced. And now you want to click on Change. And now this will come up. You want to untick this box. And then you want to select Custom Size. You want to set the initial size to 1.5 times your RAM. And you want to set your maximum size to 3 times your RAM. I'll show you how to do that now. You want to go to search and type in calculator. Click on it. Next, you want to find out how much RAM you have installed. Go to search and type in task manager. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to go to the performance tab. It's going to be showing how much RAM you have installed. For me, I've got 8 GB of RAM. So now on the calculator, you want to type in 1024 times the amount of RAM that you have. For me, I've got 8 GB, so I'm going to type in 8. So you want to do 1024 times the amount of RAM that you have, and then click on equals. Now the number that you get here, you want to times it by 1.5. Times 1.5, click on equals. You want to type this number that you get here into this initial size box. For me, it's going to be this number. Make sure that you don't add the comma right here. So just type in the number how it is. And now for the maximum size, you want to times your RAM number, so this one above right here. For me, it's going to be 8192. You want to times this by 3. So I'm going to clear all of this. Again, my RAM, it was 8192. Now for the maximum size, you want to times it by 3. This is the number I got. I'm going to type it in this box. Now you want to click on set. And then click on OK. Once you do all of this, see if that works for you. For the last method, you want to make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Just go to either the NVIDIA, AMD or Intel website to download the software for your graphics card. Once you download it, through that software, make sure that you have the latest graphics card drivers installed for your graphics card. After you install your graphics card drivers, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.